Hey, let's learn the FaheemShaheen Learn and Talk. Learn the essay God for Kids. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Goat. Goat is a small and friendly animal. Goats have short fur and can be many colors. They live in fields, farms, and sometimes in mountains. Goats like to climb and jump on rocks. They eat plants, grass, and sometimes even trees. Goats are curious and like to explore. They are useful for their milk and meat. The goat wears stubbornness like a crown. Goat kids are bundle of mischiefs and magic. Thanks for watching.